For centuries, the moon has captivated our imagination and sparked countless tales of wonder and mystery. But what if the greatest enigma lies not in fanciful stories, but in the very nature of our celestial companion itself? Bizarre anomalies, unexplained phenomena, and peculiarities that seem to defy the laws of science as we know them. The moon, our celestial neighbor. A constant presence in our night sky, it has been a source of wonder and inspiration for countless generations. Its soft glow, its changing phases, its influence on tides, all have sparked our curiosity. But the moon is more than just a pretty face in the cosmos. It holds secrets, secrets that have intrigued scientists and stargazers for centuries. Mysteries that continue to baffle scientists and ignite our imaginations, from strange lights and unexplained phenomena to unusual geological formations. These are real, documented phenomena that challenge our understanding of the moon and its place in the universe. We've walked on the moon, we've sent probes to study it, yet it remains an enigma. An astronomical riddle wrapped in a celestial enigma. The moon's origin, its relationship with Earth, and its potential for future exploration continue to be subjects of intense study and debate. Why? Because some things about the moon just don't add up. They defy easy explanation. These are the lunar anomalies, anomalies that challenge our understanding of planetary science and the history of our solar system. Strange occurrences that hint at a deeper, more complex reality than we ever imagined. These anomalies are more than just scientific curiosities. They are clues. Clues that could lead us to new discoveries about the moon's past and its potential for future exploration. Pieces of a cosmic puzzle that, once assembled, could reshape our understanding of the moon and our place in the universe. They force us to confront the limits of our knowledge and the vastness of the unknown. Are you ready to explore the moon's hidden secrets? To journey into the realm of the unexplained? Buckle up. This is a ride to the edge of scientific understanding. A journey that will take us to the far reaches of our knowledge and beyond. It's a trip to the moon's mysterious side. Join us as we delve into the enigmatic world of lunar anomalies and uncover the secrets of our celestial neighbor. Let's start with one of the moon's most enduring mysteries, transient lunar phenomena, or TLPs. These are short-lived changes in the moon's appearance. Think flashes of light, changes in color or brightness, or even obscurations that appear and disappear. Imagine looking up at the moon and seeing a bright spot suddenly flare to life. Then just as quickly, it's gone. Or maybe a region darkens as if a shadow has fallen across the lunar surface. These are TLPs in action. Reports of TLPs date back centuries. Even Galileo Galilei, the father of modern astronomy, documented observing them. These aren't just stories from unreliable narrators. Astronauts on Apollo missions reported seeing TLPs too. So what's causing these strange events? The truth is, we don't know for sure. Some theories suggest outgassing from the lunar interior. Others propose electrostatic charging of lunar dust. Still, others point to impacts from micrometeoroids. Each theory has its own merits, but none fully explain all the observed characteristics of TLPs. The mystery persists. In the realm of lunar mysteries, illusions and signals form a captivating chapter. These phenomena challenge our perceptions and invite us to question what we truly know about our closest celestial neighbor. Imagine the moon not just as a silent, barren rock, but as an active participant in a cosmic ballet, sending out signals and creating illusions that puzzle even the greatest minds. One of the most debated subjects is the appearance of geometric shapes on the lunar surface. Circles, triangles, and even grid-like patterns have been reported by both amateur astronomers and seasoned professionals. These shapes often appear suddenly and vanish just as quickly, leaving observers baffled. Are these optical illusions caused by the play of light and shadow on the moon's rugged terrain? Or do they hold a deeper, perhaps even artificial significance? Another intriguing phenomenon is the occurrence of unexplained radio signals originating from the moon. Detected by various missions, these signals have sparked numerous theories. Could they be the result of natural processes, or might they hint at something more? The possibility of extraterrestrial origins has fueled both scientific inquiry and imaginative speculation. Then, there are the eerie sounds reported by astronauts during their lunar missions. Strange, unidentifiable noises that seem to emanate from the moon itself. While some have attributed these sounds to the spacecraft or the lunar environment, others suggest they could be signals of an unknown origin, adding another layer to the moon's enigmatic presence. These illusions and signals, whether optical, auditory, or radio, compel us to look closer, to question the boundaries of our understanding. They remind us that the moon, though familiar, still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Among the most baffling TLPs are the so-called lunar lights. These are bright, often colourful flashes or glows reported from various locations on the lunar surface. One famous example is the Maltese cross sighting of 1178 AD. Chroniclers described a bright cross-shaped light appearing on the moon, visible for several minutes before fading away. While some might dismiss such accounts as ancient superstition, modern observations lend credence to the phenomenon. In 1969, during the Apollo 11 mission, astronaut Buzz Aldrin reported seeing a bright flashing light on the lunar surface near the Aristarchus crater. This crater, known for its association with TLP reports, has become a focal point for lunar light research. Scientists speculate that volcanic activity, outgassing, or even electrostatic discharge could be responsible for these lights. However, the lack of consistent, repeatable observations makes it difficult to pin down a definitive cause. Are these lights simply natural phenomena, or could they be something more? Beyond lights and flashes, the moon throws us another curveball: moving shadows. These aren't the shadows cast by mountains or crater rims as the sun moves across the lunar sky. These shadows seem to move independently, changing shape and size in ways that defy easy explanation. One of the most well-known examples is the Blair Cuspids incident. In 1953, astronomer John Wilkins observed a series of shadow-like features near the moon's crater Pierce. These features, which resembled pointed structures, appeared to move over the course of several hours. While some suggested the shadows were simply an optical illusion caused by Earth's atmosphere, others weren't so sure. The fact that multiple observers using different telescopes reported seeing the same phenomenon suggested a real lunar event. Could these moving shadows be evidence of geological activity? Or are they something entirely different? The moon, it seems, enjoys keeping its secrets. Look at a high-resolution image of the moon, and you might spot something peculiar, bright, swirling patterns on the surface. These are the lunar swirls, and they're as beautiful as they are baffling. These swirls aren't just random patterns. In fact, the swirls seem to be concentrated around the edges of these magnetic bubbles. But here's the kicker: the swirls themselves don't seem to be magnetic. They're composed of the same materials as the surrounding lunar surface. So what's going on? One theory suggests that the magnetic fields are deflecting the solar wind, which would normally darken the lunar surface over time. This would leave the areas beneath the magnetic bubbles brighter, creating the swirls we see today. Another theory proposes that the magnetic fields are somehow influencing the way lunar dust settles, leading to the formation of these distinctive patterns. Whatever the explanation, lunar swirls remain one of the most visually striking and scientifically perplexing features on the moon's surface.